Hi children, I am here with you again. The second section of the botany class. Hope all are to fine at the home. And previous class introduced you about with you asexual and sexual reproduction of the plants, and then asexual reproduction, then vegetative reproductions and natural methods, and vegetative reproduction of the vegetative reproductions and root, and vegetative reproduction stem, and vegetative reproduction leaf. Three types they are there. Then reproduction the moringa, and then leaf, then stem, rhizome in Zizerbe officinales, and corn, and potato, onion, bulb, and those are the advantage and disadvantage of the reproductions, disadvantage of the sexual reproductions, natural vegetation reproductions, and then artificial method. The there are some methods are followed. Today we are going to discuss about the flower. A flower is a very viewed of the multi national reproduction time immortal. It is inspiration of the tool of the poets. Okay, it's a natural uh, pro- flower are used in the propagation of the perfumes. Morphology of flower higher condenser and shoot meat and of the reproductions. The flower is calyx corolla. The flower process of the whole calyx, corolla, androecium and gynoecium. The androecium and gynoecium extension of the organ. The process of changes involved in the asexual reproduction. The higher plants induce the three stages. They are pre-fertilization, unfertilization, uh, and post-fertilization changes. Let me discuss about the event details. They are the flower, the male reproduction parts of the flower, the style and non-style and stigma and stamen, petal, sepal, ovary and ovule and pedicle. There's a previous class I introduced you to about now with these sections. Okay, this is the male reproduction of the androecium, female is a gynoecium. Let us detail event occurred, the various changes are occurred. During the sexual occur, the sexual reproduction involved the gametogenesis two bases fertilization. The process classify into the process changes. Okay, uh, the flower is the organ. During the sexual reproduction, various changes occur. Okay, flower changes can be the pre-fertilization changes, those the changes before fertilization, and then after fertilization changes means during the fission time. What are doing the changes they occur? The post-fertilization changes means those plants after the fission is over. The fertilization changes are discussed about all the three major changes one by one. The male or female parts. Okay, one by one, the male or female parts. The male reproduction part of androecium. This particular section has an androecium made up of the stamen. Another only the stamen, anther and filaments. The filaments, anther and filaments. The stamens, anther and filaments. Anther is the pollen grains and male gametophytes. This is about the androecium going on occur. I should earlier to tell that they are classified the development of the anther. So shall discuss about the structure of development of the anther and the details. Development of the anther, anthropodium, and then differentiation of the archospiral cells, and the formation of the particular sporogenous cells, formation of the wall layer, pollen tetrastage, and the microspore stage and pollen grain stage. Okay, let's see. Let us see about by one. Look at the diagram carefully, able to follow this. Anther most of the very large endodermis and enlarged the cell around the discuss the primary anthropodium, the different anthropodial cells, the sporial cells, then portal sporangial cells, and then formation of the wall layer, then mature microsporangial stage, next stage, the microsporogenesis, microsporogenesis, um, Microsporogenesis. The stages involved in the formation of the haploid microspores for the diploid microspore mother cell, those meiosis is called as microsporangiospores. The microsporangiospores. The microsporangious tissues, microspores, mother cell, mitotic divisions. Okay. For the tetrad, the four haploid microspores, some able are able to follow this. Some plants are microspores is an microsporangium remain to the held together is called as pollinium. Example, Clotropics. Clotropics. Example, Clotropics and Dorosera and Ramis. So, next, TS of mature anther. TS of mature anther. Transfer section of the mature anther. Actually, the mature anther contained the another cavity. It can see about one by one, surrounded by all anther wall. All anther wall. The anther wall, first of all, the anther wall, epidermis, endosteum, and the middle layer, and tapetum. Okay, and then moving the epidermis, they are able to follow this. And the epidermis is a single layer, productive functions. The middle layer, single layer, productive functions. Endotheum is this. It is a generally single layer, radically elongated called found just below the epidermis. Then cell wall is longified and the cell wall covered with a microscopic depositor. Okay, the cell along the junction of the two sporangio lack of the thickening. Okay, able to follow this small. Are you able to follow? This region is called as stomium. Help in the description of the anther of the maturity. The anther of the maturity. Able to follow the thin open. Okay. Okay, middle layer. Then middle layer. And this layer of the layers. There are 2-3 layers middle layer. Generally the epidermal they are degastated and they get the crushed during the maturity. Then tapetum. The innermost layer of the anther actually depend upon the original. Okay, maximum dual in the organ derived partly from the peripheral wall layer and the partly from the tissues of the anther layering the anther loci. Connectivity tissues. Okay, connectivity tissues. So consider the main function of the nourishing microspores. Okay, nourishing microspores. Okay, it is also the contribution of the wall materials, sporopollinium, and then pollen kit, and then proteins that control of incompletely reaction. Tapetum also the controlled fertility, the sterility of the microspores in the floral grains. Type of the tapetum. There are two types of the two types. It is of the original position. It is also the original position. As it is also the original position. Secretory, the partial, and the granular and cellular. This is a particular detail of the original position. Inessive tapetum. Periplasmodial, the cell losses of the inner perithella and radical. Here, the original position is not involved nuclear colloidal positions like structure. Okay, and the protoplast of the all tapetal cell wall plasmodium. Periplasmodium. This is a very important chapter of the functions of tapetum. Functions of the tapetum. To supplement of the nutritions to the developing of microspore is called it also the microspores. Microspore contributes as pollen wall formations, exchange proteins and response for the rejection and reaction of the stigma are derived from the tapetal cells. This is some of the functional tapetum. This is a position and this is a very important, very important, thoroughly. Okay. Then anther cavity. Next one, anther cavity. The anther cavity is filled with the microspores in the young stage and then pollen grains of the maturity. This is an exam point of view, very important. Then microspores and pollen grains. The pollen grains, then it is nothing but is a mature microspores contain densine cytoplasm and centrally located in the nucleus cell wall. Okay, cell wall. Cell wall, one is the intine and extine. Intine means inner, then extine means outer. The inner means wall is a pectine layer. The outer, extine outer layer is not is uniform. Pectin. Small, there is a small or able to follow this. This is attached of the polo name. Okay. Able to follow this. This is the shape and size of the pollen grains varies of the species to species. Different shape and size. Okay, different shape and size. This is a in the globose and lobed and crescent and pollen grains. Size. The size of the 10 micrometer microcysts and the pot. 200 micrometers in the Cucurbitaceae belong to the family. The Cucurbitaceae extends a special cell. Okay, hence the previous pollen and long periodial and fossil deposited and then produced pollen during the journey of the anther of the stigma. The wall of the material pollen sporopollens to present to the resistant to the decomposition. Biological decomposition help to the withstand the high temperature. Presence of the pollen for the periods in the fossil deposited are able to follow this under the 200 years and fossil deposited. There is a UV damage in the radiations. UV radiation the damage. So, okay, development of the male gametophyte. Development of the male gametophyte. Then next the pollen kit. Next one the pollen kit. Pollen kit, the exam point of view is an important question. Contribution by the tapetum usually breedingly color, yellow and orange color. Yellow and orange color. Oily nature. Moreover, here become okay attractive insect and the productive damage from the UV radiations. And also the attractive in the inside are able to follow. This is a prepared, very important question. Okay. Then development of the male gametophyte. Next, the one important of the be prepared in the development of the male gametophytes. The next, in told you earlier, major handling here. The microspore is a first haploid cell. Megaspore angiosperms. Vegetative now. Now most of the 60% of the angiosperms, the vegetative and generative, two cells. Okay, the vegetative now the most of the means 60% of the angiosperms. Generative means two cell stage. The sum under goes and the result of that is a two male gametes. Most of the pollen angiosperms, pollen grains, two male gam, three stage cells stages. Look at the diagram. In the undergoes large cells, the vegetative cells. The reproductive part of the female reproductive of the part of the okay female reproductive part of the gynecium. Okay, next class about the female reproductive part of the gynecium.